Any type of education or production is not complete without research, and this research cannot be completed without the research report in which it is included. From a college project to a PhD thesis, and from research for a new medicine to preparing any other production, research reports have to be prepared. But the more advanced the research report, the harder it is to work for it and the more time it takes. Many old new research reports need to be searched and studied. But now, this task has been made easier by a rabbit. Rabbit it is, but a rabbit in research. This is a research friend. His name is Research Rabbit. From finding research reports related to the topic you need and summarizing the information in them, to suggesting the appropriate research report for you, Research Rabbit does many tasks with the help of artificial intelligence. Not creating a mountain of information in front of you, but identifying your specific need and giving you exactly the right information is what Research Rabbit does for you. In brief, when searching for a research report for you, Research Rabbit utilizes its own artificial intelligence. This allows Research Rabbit to guide you just like a PhD guide would suggest certain things. Let's take an example of how Research Rabbit works. Here, a researcher is looking for research report on climate change and Research Rabbit is providing those reports. Filters such as first author are also being used. Research Rabbit can also suggest some authors. This way, the search work is done in a simple, precise, and very short time. Various types of technologies are used in Research Rabbit. Machine learning can understand your needs in the way it studies various types of data. Natural language processing can understand your language. Real-time monitoring technology can deliver updates and fresh changes found in various research reports to the user. Graph algorithms present information in the form of graphs which can help you understand their context. You can use Research Rabbit through their website. Log in, state your needs, and voila! Research Rabbit's artificial intelligence is ready to assist with your research. In the race of a rabbit and a tortoise, it's not necessarily always that the tortoise wins. Instead of searching research reports at a tortoise's pace, try this method, which is as quick as a research rabbit, and win your research race.